Do you want to change margins in MS Word? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Apply a predefined margin. Adjust the margins in your document to modify the layout and ensure a perfect fit. To adjust a predefined margin in MS Word, here is what you need to do. Go to the Layout tab and click on Margins. Choose the desired margin size from the options available. For documents with multiple sections, the new margin settings will only affect the sections you have selected. Method 2. Select a custom margin. Navigate to Layout, then select Margins. Click on Custom Margins. Use the arrows to set your preferred margin values. Click OK to apply. Method 3. Change the default margins. Select Layout, then click on Margins. Next, select Custom Margins. Adjust the margins to your liking. Click Set as Default. Confirm your choice to make these the default settings. And there you have it, the methods to change margins in MS Word. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.